Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of DIY wall art, perfect for elevating your home decor and even starting your own profitable business. If you're passionate about creativity and want to learn how to make stunning pieces that reflect your unique style, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love DIY projects. Make sure to stick around until the end for some bonus tips and ideas that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Wall art is an empowering and creative endeavor that allows individuals to express their personal style while enhancing their living spaces. In recent years, the popularity of handmade decor has surged, driven by a desire for unique, personalized pieces that reflect individual tastes. This trend not only beautifies homes, but also opens avenues for profitable business ventures. Whether you're an artist seeking to monetize your creativity or a hobbyist looking to beautify your space, wall art offers endless possibilities. Understanding the market demand, the market for home decor, particularly wall art, has seen a significant shift towards handmade and customizable options. Consumers are increasingly looking for pieces that tell a story or hold sentimental value. This demand provides a lucrative opportunity for creators to produce products that resonate with buyers. By tapping into current trends like minimalism, bohemian styles, and eco-friendly materials, artists can attract a diverse audience eager for unique decor. Tools and materials for wall art. Creating wall art requires a range of tools and materials, depending on the desired technique. Basic supplies include canvases, paints, brushes, and stencils, while more advanced projects may involve wood, fabric, or mixed media elements. Additionally, tools like spray adhesive, cutting machines, and framing supplies can enhance the final product. Understanding the necessary materials and investing in quality tools can significantly improve the craftsmanship of the artwork, leading to better sales potential. Techniques for creating stunning wall art. There are numerous techniques for creating wall art, each offering distinct visual effects. Painting, for example, allows for vibrant expression through color and brushwork, while techniques like stenciling and decoupage enable intricate designs. Mixed media art combines various materials, adding depth and texture. Additionally, digital art has become popular, allowing creators to produce prints that can be easily reproduced and sold. Exploring these methods enhances creativity and diversifies product offerings. Finding your unique style. Establishing a unique artistic style is crucial in a crowded market. Artists should experiment with different techniques and materials until they find a signature look that sets them apart. This could involve a specific color palette, a recurring theme, or a particular medium. By developing a recognizable style, artists can build a brand that resonates with customers, making their work more memorable and desirable. Marketing your wall art. Once you've created your wall art, effective marketing is key to reaching potential buyers. Utilizing social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Etsy can help showcase your work to a broader audience. High-quality photographs that capture the details and ambience of the pieces are essential for attracting attention. Additionally, engaging content that tells the story behind the art can create a personal connection with potential customers, making them more likely to purchase. Pricing strategies for profitability. Determining the right price for your wall art is a critical step in ensuring profitability. Factors to consider include the cost of materials, time spent creating the piece, and market demand. Researching similar products can help gauge competitive pricing. It's important to strike a balance between affordability for buyers and fair compensation for the artist's time and effort. Offering various pricing tiers can also cater to different budgets. Expanding your business. Once established, there are numerous ways to expand your wall art business. Collaborating with local businesses, such as home decor implementing effective marketing strategies, individuals can transform their artistic passions into profitable businesses. As trends continue to evolve, embracing innovation and sustainability will be key to long-term success in the world of handmade decor. Whether for personal enjoyment or as a source of income, wall art offers a fulfilling avenue for creative expression and business growth. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate your support and hope you found this video on DIY wall art inspiring and helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and tips, and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on our latest uploads. Sharing this video with friends who love DIY projects would mean the world to us. Your support helps us continue to create content you'll love. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.